Do you know mobile apps go through multiple tests before reaching the users? One of those tests is functional testing, under which unit testing is where each module of code is tested. Next, under functional testing is integration testing, where all the modules are tested together. After which comes the system testing, which is done to see if the app meets quality standards. Next, under functional testing is smoke testing, which is done to see the stability of the app under different conditions. Right after the smoke test, under the functional testing, the acceptance testing is done, where it is tested that whether the users can actually use the app. Next, after functional testing is regression testing, which is usually done to check the stability of the app after the updates. First, under regression testing is corrective regression, where minor issues are solved to make the app run. Next is retest all, where whole code is optimized for a better result. Next is selective regression, which is a middle ground between the first two. Next, under regression testing is progressive regression, which is used after the product is completely modified. And last, under the regression testing is complete regression, where the root code is completely changed for large system update. Third kind of testing after functional testing and regression testing is performance testing, which is done to understand the app performance under various scenarios. First test under performance testing is where the device performance is tested based on battery usage, memory usage, or system load, etc. Next is where server or API is tested, which depends on data transfer, API calls, or downtime. Apart from that, network is also tested under performance test, where it depends on network speed, packet loss, or jitters. Performance test can help the application to avoid lagging or freezing, and few of the tools used to test the performance of any application are Robotium or Monkey Runner. Next is security testing, which is also one of the most important steps because it tests the security system of the apps and fixes them in case of any lagging. Under security test, it is checked if the application is successfully saving the user ID and authenticating them. In case it fails to do so, then the application fails the security test. Malicious codes which can hack user ID or device is also checked. It is also checked if it is storing unwanted data or taking unnecessary permissions, or lack of encryption to secure user ID. Some of the tools used to check the security system of any applications are Android Debug Bridge and smartphone dumb apps. Next important test is user interface, which is to check if the app is responding properly to user interface, where you check if all the buttons in your application are working and aligned properly, if all the text and pictures are visible and not cutting off, the aesthetic aspect, if the app response is proper, and also the feasibility factor in different screen sizes. Few of the tools used to check the user interface are Google Chrome extensions or Screenfly. That's all for today. If you know more about app testing, do share with us in the comment section. And thanks for supporting Uptaran App Store, where you can publish your apps for free, get free marketing, and also a chance to earn crypto. Visit www.uptaran.in and www.uptaran.com.